Hello and welcome to this UPM's guide on PDF e-invoicing. In this video we will show you how you can start PDF e-invoicing to UPM and how you benefit. PDF e-invoicing is a form of electronic invoicing that allows you to send invoices from your company's email address, and it can be done with only a couple of clicks. PDF e-invoicing allows you to send your invoices without delay, and it promotes fast and reliable invoice processing. Before we start the tutorial, however, here are a few things to keep in mind. You have to have at least one email address registered to Busware, and you have to click a registration link. You cannot use a no-reply email address, and all the invoices that you send must be in a PDF machine-readable format. Now let's get on with the tutorial. First, click on the Here link. After which, click on the link Select PDF e-invoice. Now click on Activation to PDF as e-invoice. By clicking it, you will be directed to this activation page at Busware. Here you can change the language that you wish to operate in. At this point, Busware will be asking for a single email address that you will be registering that will be sending the invoices to UPM. You should pick a team email address or an email of a person overseeing invoicing. Then, after creating an account, you still need to confirm your registration. This is why a no-reply email could not be used, as they would not be receiving this link. By clicking the Confirm Email button, you'll be redirected to Busware's page. In here, you should fill out your company information, such as the registration country, registered company name, company address, postal code, and city. All information that is required by Busware to register will be marked with a small asterisk by the side. In the next tab called Service Settings, you can then modify who has access to Busware. Here you can add multiple emails who need access to Busware and sending invoices. On the side next to the email, there is a text stating whether the email address has been confirmed by Busware or not. When adding additional email addresses onto the account, these addresses will receive the same confirmation email that the main account did at the start. Here in the final tab, you can find a link called Invoice Content Guide, where you will find all the UPM PDF e-addresses to send your invoices to. As UPM is constructed of multiple organizations, here you can see each organization's PDF e-invoice address. Now let's go over how to send an invoice to us. At first, make sure your invoice is searchable and selectable. The easiest way to create a PDF like this is by using the Export to PDF functionality in Microsoft Word. If you do not have a PDF in a machine-readable format, Busware will send you an error message stating that your PDF could not be sent. Now we need to make sure which address we are sending the PDF to. By using the list of addresses, we can search for UPM biofuels for today's example. Please make sure that when you are sending PDF e-invoices, you send them separately. If you are sending any attachments with your invoice, make sure that they are also attached in a separate file. If you have any questions relating to e-invoicing or addresses, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for your attention.